you. I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes, I couldn't ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
Sabay-sabay!
Everybody say! So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
I know it's gonna be
it's gonna be
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, ladies and gentlemen,
scared, I guess I'm scared to fly. It's such a long way down, and yet if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
and I know when you're home, it's hard to let someone inside in your arms to feel I'm ready now to try. Come on! So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
It's gonna be
you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, yeah,
I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, but I know I gotta take it slow.
no, it's gonna be
It's gonna be
you're the
with
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. And if I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Thank you so much! Woo! Maraming salamat po. Alright, so we have another song. Meron pa pala dito, marami pa. Dito pala sa gilid, hindi pa natin nabibigyan.
Yeah, dito sa gilid. Dito sa gilid.
Sige, ubusin na natin to para maya-maya ang konti. Magsasayawan tayo sa lahat ng mga gusto sumayaw. Ato guys, yung next song ko, pwede nyo pong iilaw yung mga flashlights ninyo. Mas maganda yon. Ayan, ganyan tayo. At sabayin nyo po ako sa pagkanta.
Nga pala, kung may makita kayo dyan ng mga cameraman namin na nagsushoot, baka makuha kayo, mahagilap kayo sa highlights namin, pinapost namin.
Ayan, here's the next song, guys. Para po sa inyong lahat. Hope you like this. That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. Your light can be, and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light to be that I couldn't find. Corona dance on the
Hey!
So when I'm on, wala na bang mas malakas dyan? Every time we... Yeah, thank you. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. I know we don't know how to rhyme, but time we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. To part of me, it's you will never die. Everybody say. So when I'm on your door and I can't find words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. The sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. You can dance the dance, you can all the song about. Original festival.
People say that I'm a fool, but I don't know.
Come on, let's dance.
At least I found out what it takes to be strong.
Yeah, come on.
I was dreaming all day long.
Okay na ba kayo dyan? Yes, come on, let's jump.
Eyes wide open, now would you start to see?
Put on a balance and join, come on.
Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Saying morning to the world, I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have.
Meron pa.
I've been
Tumingin
looking
naman tayo dito, sa gilid.
for too long now.
Saan yung aabot to?
Seems like everything must come to an end.
Yes! Here we go!
Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do.
I'll say out!
Loving you ways and loving you ways, but nothing is through at all. Day after day, feeling the past behind.
Pang last two eh.
How it determines me, stitches and burns and learning to fly again.
Everybody dance!
No, I don't want to see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your games. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if
lonely, but time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I'm feeling. I cannot run from you. I cannot hide, and I'm losing the will to try. Keep on, everybody, keep on it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Let me tease me until I get deny this love feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Come on, party people, let's go, yeah. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need to have. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep, and I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, come on, don't leave, let's go. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Let me tease me until I can deny this love feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Happy Dinala Festival! Let's go! Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. When I can't find where I cannot hide, I've lost my will to try. Can't hide it, can't find. Sayaw na! So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Let me tease me until I can deny this love feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on. Gusto niyo ba ba? So, everybody dance! Ang paborito ng lahat! Oh, sayaw!
Sa mga siloso ngayong gabi.
Alam niyo ba to? Come on, sing with me! Sa tuwing nakikita ko, magkasama na tayo.
Lakasan!
Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. Alam na alam, at di ko alam bakit ba. Oh, hey! Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Everybody dance! Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisigip ang dibdib ko. Sa pinakikita ko na magkagabi kayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsisilosan siya. Bakit ba siya? Bakit di na lang ako? Everybody sing! Ha! 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 Woo! Hala, sayaw! Sarang gusto mo sayaw! Ha! Ha! Dito naman tayo sa gilid. Alam niyo ba ito? Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Hindi lang din ako, sana'y mamatay na lang tayo. Come on! Diyan nasasaktan kahit di naman tayo. And 1, 2, 3,
Holy people,
at parang sumisitik ang dibdib ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. One more time!
DJ Yuki.
Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagsaselosan siya. Bakit ba siya? O bakit di na lang ako? And 1, 2, 3! Ha! 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 Everybody dance and enjoy the night! Woo! Let's go! Ha! 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 Woo! Gusto nyo pa ba? Nag-e-enjoy ba ang lahat ngayong gabi? Woo!
Nag-enjoy ba tayo lahat ngayong gabi?
Excited na rin sila sa ating next na guest. So habang kami pa guys, i-enjoy nyo lang moment ninyo ngayong gabi. Okay ba yan? Happy Chinolo Festival!
By the rivers of Babylon,
Ha! Ha!
there we sat
Ha!
down.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion. There's the weak, dizzy carriers, so I on captivity. Require from us the
Oh, may
song.
sumasayaw na sa likod!
Now how shall I sing the Lord's song in this strange land? There's the weak, dizzy carrier, the one on captivity. Require from us the song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in this strange land?
Sayaw!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went.
O, dito naman!
Now I remember Zion.
Sayaw!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion. Who led the world on the mount, and the meditations of God. Be acceptable in both sides here tonight.
One more time!
Come on, who led the world on the mount, and the meditations of God. Be acceptable in the sight here tonight.
Sabay-sabay!
By the rivers of Babylon, we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion.
One more time!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion. As a weak dizzy carrier, the lion captivity require from us the song. Now how shall we sing the love song in this strange land? There's the weak dizzy carrier, the lion captivity require from us the song. Now how shall we sing the Lord song in this strange land?
Let's go!
Who led the world on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in this sight here tonight? Who led the word on my mouth and the meditations of my heart be acceptable in this sight here tonight?
Sayaw!
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we went. Now I remember Zion.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Woo! Grabe, ang saya pala din talaga dito, no? Everybody! Let's rock and roll! Sabay-sabay! And 1, 2, 3, go! Ha! Ha! Everybody jump!
Burning down from the ocean. Come on! Shining in the sun, covering the shore. When I see them, my heart tells me that I love you. Moving on, my little pearly shell. Woo! Gusto niyo pa ba? Gusto niyo pa ba? Tiny bubble in your eye makes me feel happy.
Everybody dance!
Makes me feel fine. A tiny bubble in her eye makes me feel happy. Makes me feel fine. Palakpakan lahat ng mga kabataan ngayong gabi.
Woo!
Mga kabataan. Konti lang kabataan ng Pag-asa ng Bayan, konti lang. Palakpakan lahat ng mga kabataan, member ng SK ngayong gabi. Gamay lang git. Ang mga katigulangan, palakpak man.
Woo! Mas marami.
Ang mga tigulang, ang mga isip bata, palakpak! Ang tigulang, bisan bako, maning gamot, ubarok, putindog, aron mo labyo. Ang tigulang, bisan bako, maning gamot, ubarok, putindog, aron mo labyo.
Palakpakan naman ng konti dyan sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng mga nakikanta at nakisayaw. Thank you so much. Here's another song for everyone. Hope you like this. Pwede kayo sumabay if you know the song. Come on. Sino mga millennials ngayong gabi? Mga millennials! Sabay-sabay! Sa mga Gen Z karong gabi, everybody! Ha! Ha! If you know the song, come on, sabayan niyo kami! Here we go!
Tila ibon kong lumipad, say! Sumabay ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalot ng hiwaga. Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko lahat, may pag-asa bang makilala ka?
Baka sakaling mapakikinggan, pag-ibig na palaisipan sa kantana na idaraan. Nag-aabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang tala.
Ang swerte nga naman lagi kanyang kapiling. Kung ako sa kanya, iligawan na kita.
Everybody say!
Mapapansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, nilalanggan.
Say!
Kawit na nananawagan,
Baka sakaling mapakikinggan, pag-ibig na palaisipan, sa kanta na lang hidaraan.
naaabang sa langit,
Sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang na. Gusto namin yung mas malakas. Sabayan nyo ng talon, Coronadal! Yan na ba yun? Everybody, come on, sing together! Let's go!
tumalon kaya ako sa bangin,
Para lang iyong sa ibig.
ito ang tanging paraan para mayakap ka.
Say!
Darating kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko sila, paano na kaya?
Sabay-sabay!
Hey! Kawit ka na nanawagan,
Baka sakaling mapakikinggan,
pag-ibig na palaisipan, sa tanan ng hidaraan. Naaabang sa langit, sa mga ulap
sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap ng dana. Nag-aabang sa langit, sa mga ulap sumisilip, sa likod ng mga tala, kahit sulyap lang dana. Ha! Palakpakan naman sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng mga nakisaya, nakikanta, nakisayaw. Thank you so much po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, Sweet Notes Music. Supportahan niyo po kami sa aming social media platforms. Come on!
Meron pa ba tayong lakas, Corona Doy? Pwede pa ba tayong tumalon? Meron pa ba tayong lakas tumalon? Sabay-sabay tayong tumalon, Corona Doy! Sino dito excited kay JK? Ang excited kay Juan Carlos Makingoy!
Ha! Ha!
Hey!
Come on! Come on! Everybody come on, sing along with us!
Umupas na say! Nagdadaga kung bakit yakap mo'y di na nadarama. May mali ba akong nagawa? Di na nag-iba ang mga kilos mo at salita. Bakit kaya parang hindi ka na masaya?
Corona na! Sabay!
Ika'y biglang natauhan, umalis ka agad nang hindi nagpapaalam. Sabi ko hindi kita mamimiss, hanggang kailan ito matitiis? Ika'y biglang natauhan, umalis ka agad nang wala man ng paalam. Pag nawala doon lang mamimiss, hanggang kailan ito matitiis? Alam ko na magaling lang ako sa umpisa. Umasa ka pa sa akin, mga pangakong nauwi lang sa wala. Sayang lang yung pagtsatsaga, wala ka na pala, at puro lang ako at salita. Kaya pala pag-isip ko'y wala ka na.
Everybody say!
Kaya biglang nagtakuhan, umalis ka agad, hindi nagpapaalam. Sabi ko hindi kita mamimiss, hanggang kailan ito magpapaalam. Pag nawala doon lang, maminis hanggang kailan ito matitiis.
Guitar, guitar! Come on!
Kahit lang nagtakuhan, malis ka agad na hindi nagpapaalam. Ang sabi ko, hindi kita mamilis hanggang kailan ito matitiis. Ayun ko lang natutunan, nasubok na mabuhay na para bang may kulang. Pag nawala noon lang, mamilis paalam sa halip ko matamis.
Palakpakan naman dyan! Thank you so much. Here's another song for everyone.
Now greetings all the Corona ladies out there. Pictures and diamonds and pearls. Dedicate the girls around the world.
Come on, sing along, sing along.
Put your hands in the air, Corona girl. Hey. Put your hands in the air, Corona girl. Happy dinner, festival to the hat. Sabay, everybody sing. Sing it, darling. Come on. Girl, you're mine. Sing. I can hear you closer than my peeps. You are to me. Baby, sorry, you're my ninja. You're my dog. I can hear you. Girl, you're my friend, but I'm in me. Hey. Love is one big body, wanna still young. But who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good for when you let the have your fun. Can't be a fool, I know what the fuck a long run. Looking back at the always a mention. Sit me not giving her much attention. She was sick from my incarceration. I wanna
everybody sing with us. Girl, you're my angel. You're darling.
I can hear you closer than my peeps. You are to me, baby.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
You're a queen, I'm only just a bit tweeted. I know I'm loving of the loving that's so needed.
Yeah.
Got a flip, but I can't tend to heed it. They're talking it deed, I don't miss uncompleted. Mama, the desire is this the program. That's a topic, Miss Ferrari, the emotion.
Yeah.
But the feeling that I love you was so strong. I've been
Let's go,
thinking it so
everybody
long.
say
This could never be
1, 2, 3.
wrong. Hey.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling.
I can hear you.
Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby.
Shaggy.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby.
Abi niya ubok singira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya og labandira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na
Wow.
siya.
Abi niya ubok singira, kay dakong paa.
Pero naibog na siya.
Abi niya og labandira, kay dakong paa. Now
Pero
listen,
naibog na siya.
Hey, daghang gaingon nga pati kang nawong. Ayaw ka balaga, ako rang giotong. Akong gianto sa mga kansaw nga akong uyab daw anggid-anggid o kabaw. Grabe, kaayo mga tawa, lami ipabalik iyang ipakulata.
Yeah.
Magpaabot lang ta sa panahon nga akong uyab, magwapag yun ni Bongbong. Yeah.
Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
I can hear you.
Closer than my lips, you are to me, baby.
Shaggy.
Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Wow.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need.
What?
Wait, one more time, come on. Girl, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Shaggy.
Closer than my lips, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel. You're my darling angel.
Shaggy.
Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady. Huh.
What? It wasn't me.
Alright, here's our next song. At sabayan niyo po ako sa chorus. Mas maganda to pa. Mas malakas yung inyong maganda.
Special request. Kanina ko ito nire-request eh.
Yeah.
Pwede na mo kaming sabayan sa chorus, mga... Hey!
Alam niyo ba to? Pwede niyo bang lakasan yung mga boses ninyo? Come on.
I check. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hindi ko lang kung bakit, puro na lang masakit. I check. Nauna ba yun, Mike? Let's boy!
Ooh, yeah, and 1, 2, 3. Tayo po.
Come on! Subukan. Diyan sa likod, come on!
Mas malakas!
At baka beautiful!
Ang tunay na kalagayan ko. BJ, come on!
Mic check. Kaupo ng sinubang kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran. Taas na pader, pinapaligiran. Nakapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan. Mga patay na langit, bulong ang bulong. Wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabaro. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang butas sa kuko. Mga platong kutsara na hindi kilala. At totoong katangkanin na simputi ng gatas na nasa kahon. Kahit na hindi pasko sa lamesa, amay hamunan sa harap siguro manirahan sa bahay na ganyan. Sabi pa nila, tumurin matatapuan ang tao na ng may-ari ng isang upuan. May pagkakataon ay pinag-aagawan. Kaya naman, yun ang pinagkakawala. Kung makikita mo na sa kanya, isisigaw mo. Hey! Everybody say, subukan yun naman tumayo. Tumayo, break it down na tumayo.
Matanaw at baka matanaw ninyo ang tunay na kalagayan ko.
Mawalang galang na po sa taong nakaupo. Alam niyo bang patakal ang bigas namin na di puno. Ang tingting ng bahay namin ay pinagtapit-tapingero. Sa gabi, sobrang init na tumutunaw ng yelo na di kayang bilhin o pangilagay sa inumin. Pinakulong tubig sa lumang takuring uling-uling. Gamit ang panggatong na inano nila mga sa istero. Nagsisilbing kusina sa umangay aming banyo. Ang aking ining na may kayaman ng isang kardero. Nagagamit ang pagkakaking kamay. Sumela vera, kulang na kulang pa rin. Ulam na tuyo tasin. Ang isa mo na best sa paghahawi pagkakasahin. Di ko alam ko talagang maraming harang. Mataas na ang bako noon. Nagbubulag-bulangan lamang po kayo. Kahit sa dami ng pera nyo, walang doktor na mapapapalinaw ng mata nyo. Kaya
huwag kang masyadong halata. Bato-bato sa langit.
bato-bato sa langit.
Ang matama ay
Huwag kang masyadong halata.
Bato-bato sa langit. Ang matamaan ay
Huwag masyadong halata. Huwag kang masyadong halata.
Wag kang masyadong halata.
Huwag kang masyadong halata. Now listen, masasabihin ako. Mic check. Halika na't pasukin natin ang mundo ng laro. May kosa mas matindi pa sa mga ego'y at kano. Kapag pumanag sa may katumbas ko'y ilang tumbok sa aking dila na di na nagbabago ng atulog. Hinasa ng panahon sa bilog-bim pagka-istilong at inilapat ang mga letra ng sintigas like Escotero. At ilang kwentong barbero ang aking natanggap. Humasapawan ang pangalan ko'y kahirap at tanggap. Ako yung bata na gustong gawin bataan. Veteranong naturing ang utang ay walang laman. Magkakapos ng English rap. Ang puti rin mapapos sa papagap na Inglesero. Mga bobong ang pronounce, fully thanks. Pero ang rami ngay na discorrect, hindi matake. Ang pag-aarte, sabi ni Derek, wala kang garangalan. Para sa akin magyabang, isa ka lang na tagahangin. Gusto sa akin mag-abang, you break it down, yo.
Thank you so much! Woo! Alright, before namin ibigay ang aming, ibigay mo yung cup mo. Nagdadalawang isip pa siya. Before namin ibigay lang last 3 songs, gusto ko lang pasalamatan po lahat po na nandito ngayong gabi. Pasalamat sa inyong lahat and happy Tinalog Festival to everyone. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang supportahan po kami, Sweet Notes Music. Shout out po, Rodita Musa. Shout out. And sa lahat po ng mga followers ng Sweet Notes Music na nandito.
Yay!
Thank you guys for supporting us. Continue lang po.
Before tayo mag-proceed sa ating next song, pwede ba kami magpa-picture sa lahat ng mga taga-Coronadal?
Okay lang ba?
Yeah, pwede ba tayo magpa-picture? Itaas natin yung mga kamay natin para makita tayo sa microscope.
Microscope.
Oo, sige. Yung sa gilid, kaya ba?
Bago kami magtatapos.
Naka point 1 ka, di ba?
Alright.
Taas kamay. Pwede ba natin? Ayan, thank you po. Lights engineer. Pwede ba nating ilawan yung mga Corona de Leños? Alright, let's go. What's wrong? Alright, happy tinalak! Taas kamay!
Happy Tinalak!
Taas kamay lang. Huwag tayo waki. Nagwawaki. O sige, dyan din sa gilid. Meron tayong picture taking mamaya pagkatapos itong sa gitna. Alright, taas kamay! Happy tinalak! 3, ha?
Okay.
Ha?
Dito na. Sorry.
Dito tayo, sige. Shoutout nga pala IVT Events. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin IVT Events. Napaka-solid na. Maraming salamat po. The best. Alright. Taas kamay, tinalak. 3, 2, 1. Taas kamay! Alright, gilid.
Dito tayo sa gilid. Para kasali sila.
Gilid. Wow. Taas kamay, gilid. Ay, gilid. Coronadal, taas kamay. Alright.
Last na dito tayo sa gilid.
Dito pa sa gilid.
Yay!
Mas malakas dito eh.
Hello!
Sige pa.
Wow, ang swerte.
Oh, taas kamay. Happy
Napagtripan.
Tinalak Festival. Right, taas kamay. Hanapin nyo sa internet yung kamay, yung tsura niya.
Alright, thank you so much. Woo! Ay, pagtripan yung cup ni, ni geographer namin.
Oh, last 2 songs.
Here's the last 3 songs, guys. Gusto nyo ba sumayaw?
Hey, hey,
Come on,
hey,
come on,
hey,
come on,
hey,
come on.
hey, hey.
Ha!
Desperately to borrow in the marketplace.
Everybody dance.
Only is the secret of it. Hey. Desperately to Molly, girl, I like your face. And all this is it even takes
Everybody, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, that is all wrong. How love goes on.
One more time.
Oh, bloody, that is all wrong. How love goes on. That's what sticks it truly in the jewel store. Buys a 20-carat golden ring. Takes it back to Molly waiting at the door. And she give it to her, she begins to sing.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. How love goes on.
One more time.
Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. How love goes on. Get a couple of years, stay up here at home, sweet notes. Get a couple of kids running in the yard. This morning, Molly jumps. Happy ever after in the marketplace. That's what lets the children let again. As the taste of corn and it's so pretty. Face in the evening, she's the singer with a
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. How love goes on.
One more time.
Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. How love goes on. And a couple of kids stay up here at home. Sweet notes, DJ Yoke. And a couple of kids running in the yard. And this morning, Molly jumps. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Molly lets the children let again. This one stays at home and it's so pretty. Face in the evening, she's the singer with a
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. Love goes on. Oh, bloody, love is all wrong. Love goes on. It went so far. Say, oh, bloody,
We'll give it last song, guys. Once again, we are the Sweet Notes Music. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan, supportahan kami, guys. Come on, come on. Excited na kayo kay JK? Woo! There's our last song. could I? Come on! Sabay-sabay! And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream over top of my lungs, what's going on? Everybody say, and I say,
Yeah! Oh yeah!
oh, I said, hey, what's going? Dito naman na side, everybody say, and I say,
Hey! Hey!
yeah, hey, I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh, ooh, Come on, Coronado! And I try. Oh my God, I try all the time. It's there to show. And I pray. Oh my God, I pray, receive my life for evolution. Oh, and so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream on the top of my lungs, what's going on? Everybody say, and I say, oh, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? One more time. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? For the last time. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Once again, kami pong Sweet Notes Music. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Happy Tinala Festival! Woo! Thank you so much! Sa lahat po ng mga organizers natin, thank you po. Kay Gob, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, everyone. Don't forget to support us, Sweet Notes Music. Woo! But our years up like fence steel. I'm trying to get up that great big hill of hope. For this celebration. God bless everyone. Enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you po. Happy Tinalak Festival.